Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Bobbin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys everything I crocheted / knitted in the month of October. So to start off, I wanted to do something really different this month, so I decided to do amigurumi for the first time ever. And since it's Halloween, you know, it's not Halloween, but you know, Halloween month, I wanted to make a ghost for the first time. So first time doing amigurumi and first time making a ghost. And I'm ashy. So I decided to make a ghost by Morel. I used Morel's pattern, and this is how it came out. Ooh. So first of all, the bottom is like super, like it's like humpy a little bit, and it's supposed to kind of be like flat like that. And I didn't have like those safety eyes, so I had to use buttons, but the buttons didn't really bother me because I was like, you know, it's Halloween, you know, buttons kind of go with the Halloween vibe, so I was fine with that. But it's just weird looking because let me show you guys how it was actually supposed to look. It's supposed to look like this. This is Morel's actual ghost, but she has a pattern for it. And this is what I made. Do you see the difference? And I didn't do arms because my arms were like too short, so it would look like ears. It just would have been weird. But this is my first time making amigurumi, so I'm really proud of my little ghost and how it came out. And somebody said it looks like a tater tot. I saw that comment and I thought it was hilarious because it actually does look like a tater tot. But it's fine, it's fine. It's first time for everything. Honestly, I highly doubt I will ever make amigurumi again, like unless I'm doing it for a video. I don't know, it's not my thing. I don't really care to do it. I don't get the satisfaction I get when I'm actually making clothes, but it was fun to do. Like, it was super easy, so it wasn't like it was difficult or anything. It's just that I didn't, it's like, it's just amigurumi, you know. It's not anything exciting in my opinion, but I did enjoy making it. But that would be like the last time I'll make that, maybe most likely. But so that was the first thing I made this month, and then I made my crochet along sweater using my sister's pattern, Kalila's rusty high neck sweater pattern. And this is how it turned out. I wanted it to be like super colorful, so my collar's like a different color pink, and then my sleeves are different colors. But the back, I actually ran out of yarn, so it actually ended up being like half and half a little bit, but I think that's such a cool look. But that's how this turned out, and I have a picture right here of how it looked on me. And I love this sweater so much. I love that collar. At first when I made it, it seemed like super low, like when I put it on without doing a collar, and I was like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out because it was so low and it just seemed like it wouldn't turn out great. But since I have to change so many for the collar, it like cinches in and it just stuck to my neck so beautifully, and I loved it. I loved how this came out. Like, I love this high neck look, and then my neck is super skinny, so I thought it would be like baggy too, but it wasn't. It really wasn't. It came out way better than I expected. And I love how heavy the sweater is. I think this is merino wool. It's hand-dyed yarn, and it came out so beautiful. Like, it came out way better than I expected, especially the collar. Like, that collar, it blew me away. But that's how this looks. Beautiful. And then the last thing I made for this month was my Novice sweater by Patina. I literally just finished this yesterday. I finished it last night, and I just took pictures, which is why I'm still made up. I didn't feel like taking it off for a video, which is weird because you would think I would want to put it on for a video. But this is how this sweater looked, and I'll have a picture right here, of course, with me wearing it. And this is my first completed knit sweater. And in my last monthly recap video, I showed you guys like my actual first knitted sweater, but I didn't finish it. I have like a sleeve to go and then a collar, but I'm actually not even going to finish that because I just rather knit other sweaters, and that is really like, I kind of like, I followed a pattern for like the front panel, but that was it. I freehanded the back, I freehanded my sleeves, and I don't want to do it. I don't want to think about making a sweater. I just want to make a sweater. So this is my first completed knit sweater, and this is how it looks. And I'm actually going to be blocking it soon because my ribbing at the bottom's kind of curly, and then one of my sleeves, this one's curly because I did the stretchy bind off method, and on this sleeve I did the regular bind off method, and it came out like really, really good. But that's the same sleeve, but I did this sleeve first, but I did this sleeve second. You see the difference? Curly, how straight and neat this one is. So all in all, I know that next time when I have wide sleeves, I will do the stretchy, no I won't, I will do the regular bind off because it's so much neater than this is. Like, are you kidding me? But everything's a learning process, and I'm so like proud of how this turned out. Like, this is my first sweater. Like, are you kidding me? I'm so happy with how it looks, and it doesn't feel too great because it's kind of rough on the skin a little bit, but that's why I'm going to block it, because after I block it, it's going to be fine, and then I can wear it out and all that good stuff. But that is this sweater that I'm super, super proud of. I get to say that this is my first sweater. Like, are you kidding me? Knit, of course. I have made a million crochet sweaters. So when I say first sweater, just know that I'm talking about knitting, because I have made like so many crochet sweaters. You guys should know that I'm not talking about crochet, but that is all I made. So this took about 3 weeks to make, and I was making this like on and off. Like, I was making this sweater while I was making this and the ghost, and yeah, so I was making this sweater while I was making all my other projects, and it took 3 weeks on and off. This sweater took like a week or something. Crochet doesn't take me long. I keep getting like fuzzies like on my nose, but crocheting doesn't take me super long, so I can get that done like really fast. But knitting takes me a while, so I had to like stop this and continue this and do all that. And then this took like a few hours to make. Literally, I started the video and a few hours later I finished, so that didn't take long at all. But that's all I made for the month of October. And of course, I always tell you guys what I'm going to be doing for the next month, which is November. So I have my calendar up there, so if you see me looking, I have like what I want done written down. So for November, I'm going to be making another crochet along sweater, and it's actually my pattern, the Neptune sweater pattern, and I actually started it already, and this is how it's turning out. This is the ribbing. I love this color combination, and again, this is hand-dyed yarn I'm using, and this is the two colors I'm using, yeah. And that is turning into this. Like, that is such a beautiful combination. So that's what I'm working on now, and then I'm going to be doing a recreation piece, and I'm super, super excited about this piece because, one, I'm going to be making a pattern for it. It's a sweater, of course, and it'll be my first time making that type of no, it won't, not really. But I'm really excited for this sweater because, one, because of the color, and two, because of like the person I'm recreating, and I have everything I need to complete like the outfit. I'm just super excited because, I don't know, it's such an easy recreation piece, and it's like so perfect because the piece I'm recreating is literally a sweater. Like, it's an actual sweater, so the fact that I'm recreating an actual sweater is fun to me. I don't even know why, but I'm really excited for that piece, and I'll show you guys the yarn I'm using. And then And then you guys can probably guess like what I'm actually gonna be recreating. I don't know why I stuttered like that, but this is the yarn I'm using, and I have brushed alpaca silk, but that hasn't come in yet. But this is palette yarn fingering weight, and it's orange. If you can't tell, it's super bright. But you guys can guess in the comments on what you think I am going to be recreating this month. And I'm not going to give you guys any hints, but I'm really excited to make this piece. I'm not excited for like the sweater itself. I'm excited for the whole outfit because it's just so perfect. Like, I got everything I needed. I'm just really excited. And then I want to, after my recreation piece, I want to do the anchor sweater. I want to make the anchor sweater by Patina, but I don't know if I'll be able to finish it. I don't even know if I'll be able to squeeze that in this month because I haven't even finished my calendar of what I want to get done for this month. But that's just what I want to do. That's like, I will see if I can get that done this month. But my crochet long sweater and my recreation piece shouldn't take long because they're both crocheting. So I should have enough time to finish this sweater. And for that anchor sweater, I'll be using these two yarns, hand-dyed yarns combined. Like, this is going to be so pretty. Let me show you guys this close up so you guys can see how beautiful it is. And then this yarn. And just imagine that together, these two together, like, that's going to be so beautiful. So I'm going to be using that yarn for my anchor sweater, but again, I don't know if I'll be able to finish that sweater this month, but we'll see. If I can get my crochet long sweater done in 1 week and then my recreation piece done in 1 week, I will have 2 more weeks to finish the anchor sweater. So we'll see how everything goes this month. Let's see if I kind of procrastinate a little bit. But I told myself this month that I'm not going to procrastinate. Like, last month I knew what I needed to get done, so I was kind of slow with doing it, and I finished like my novice sweater like super last minute. I even like prolonged my crochet long sweater when I didn't need to. So next month I really want to just knock stuff out instead of like waiting till the last minute to get things done. I tend to procrastinate more when it comes to crocheting because I know I can get it done like super fast, but I need to stop. I just need to get it done and not like wait until like I have like 2 more days left to finish. So next month I'm going to really try and just knock stuff out the park, like right away. No waiting, no procrastinating, no nothing. That's my goal for next month, and hopefully I can get everything I want to get done in the month of November, because December is really exciting, but I'm going to wait until my monthly recap for November hits so I can tell you guys my plans for December. Like, I literally have plans for December already, but I don't even want to get into that. This is about November, but that's actually all I have to say about November. But I'm really excited for like the rest of this year because I don't know, I'm feeling the holiday vibes, and it's just really exciting for some reason. I don't even know, but that's really all I have to say for my video. I'm just ranting. You guys know these videos are really just brainstorming for me, just trying to, I'm bouncing ideas around with myself. But that's it for this video. I'm pretty sure I have nothing else to say. So thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!